Welcome to our interior design tutorial. Today, we're going to transform this master bedroom carpet using various components to create a cozy and stylish space. First, ensure your subfloor is clean and smooth. Lay down the underlay for added comfort and insulation. Secure it with carpet staples or adhesive, making sure it's smooth and wrinkle-free. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the carpet. Begin in one corner and attach it to the tack strips along the walls. Use a carpet stretcher to ensure it's tight and secure. If you have multiple pieces of carpet, use adhesive and seam tape to join them seamlessly. Finish the edges with carpet edging to prevent fraying. Door thresholds create smooth transitions between rooms, and floor vents should be flush with the carpet. Ensure your electrical outlets are properly placed and hidden under cable management solutions. Now, the fun part. Add area rugs to define spaces and create visual interest. Arrange your bedroom furniture, like the bed, nightstands, and dressers, strategically on the carpet. Place floor lamps for ambience. Don't forget about the closet. Extend the carpet inside for a cohesive look. Use cable management options to keep your cords tidy and out of sight. Lastly, a quick clean with carpet cleaner to keep your carpet looking its best. Add decorative elements like throw pillows and artwork to complete your master bedroom's new look. And there you have it. With the right components and a little creativity, you can transform your master bedroom carpet into a cozy and stylish retreat. Thanks for joining us today.